Hey YouTubers, shortwave listeners. I thought I'd do a quick video on a low-cost shortwave that I saw recently on Amazon. You know, I'm always on the hunt for a entry-level, low-cost shortwave that, you know, someone who's new to the hobby might enjoy picking up and not spending a lot of money on it. I ordered this approximately a month ago. It took about a month to get here. Obviously, it was shipped directly from China, as you can see here. I'll do a little bit of the unboxing. I did already open it, but you can kind of see the condition it came in. Pretty beat up here. Give you a little look at the back so you can see what it says. It's a pocket size. It's very small. So it's the model K-605. Very generic. It doesn't really have a brand name to it. But it has an MP3 player. Has FM, AM, and shortwave. So I'm most interested in the shortwave, but who knows whether this will work or not. But let's open it up and take a look. So as you can see here, compared to my hand, very small radio. Give you a good look at that. In the front, you can see it has a micro SD card slot, headphone jack, power button there, tuning on that side, and there's your charger, so it's a rechargeable radio. Here's the back. You can take a quick peek. So you can see medium wave, 522 kilohertz to 1620, and the 9 kilohertz range for the European countries. Medium wave 520 to 1710, 10 kilohertz steps. Shortwave 4.75 to 21.85 megahertz, and FM oddly 76 to 108. It must be a European standard. But interesting that the shortwave range is fairly limited. We'll see how that plays out, but you can kind of see it here. So what else comes in the box? Let's take that out. Move that off to the side here. So what comes with underneath? So it looks like here's your power charging cable, and looks like you get probably a very inexpensive headset for your AM, FM, or for just your audio, excuse me. And looks like it comes with a little carrying case here, which is pretty nice, and then a manual for using it. All right, so let's get this out of the way. Move this box and put those back. Gonna put those back in there, and let's move this away and take a look at the radio for a second. So let's power it on. Looks like the power button is on the side. Oh, already on the AM band, 680. I hear something, which is pretty good. Let me just check where the band select button is here. 1 minute. Okay, it's this upper button. So that's shortwave.
Thinking something is wrong here.
Yeah, FM.
But in my case,
Here's something. So let's jump up. I think 8:30. Let's see if we hear anybody. Not hearing much. A little bit of distant station. 8:30 is my.
Don't stay, so we're locked in.
It seemed like the bench kind of got things going in that second quarter.
If I hold it,
In order to hide the truth.
will it scan? Yeah, it does scan. So pretty good. Let's go to FM.
certain foods can make you feel sick, and that was something I.
Lean the 2021 outage.
FM sounding pretty good.
Might regret sitting on the sidelines.
Pretty
Join
loud right
thousands of
now.
other
I assume these are
homeowners who have
volume
already
buttons here.
received a guaranteed
Yep,
offer.
there you
Visit
go.
chrislindahl.com today.
So volume on
Terms
the
and
top.
conditions apply.
Sure, we have 30 seconds to
Let
tell
me
you the
turn this
drivers have
off for a
switched to
minute.
Progressive could save big. But then what? Well, radio.
So as you can see, it's working pretty well. Turn it off. There we go. All right. So very small, very small. You can see the whip antenna here. Exceedingly small. That looks like to be only 6 inches long. Well, we'll see how the performance is. I didn't want to start with shortwave. I think what I'll do here is do a longer video for checking out his performance across all the bands, but here's one thing we'll do. We'll try it on medium wave. Let's see if we can use the loop, the AN200 loop on AM, so we'll turn that back on. And we'll try to find some weak stations down here. Let's go down to, well, let's see what happens. We'll just try 730, see if we have anything. Place the loop antenna near it. Not hearing anything. Let me turn it here. There we go. Oh, hearing a little distant stations. Let's see if we can. I know one distant station here down at 560. Oops.
Southwide morning.
Get back down there. Gotta learn my buttons. Let's go down to 560. Which has, I think, a station not too far away, but it's distant enough. Okay. The loop, adjusting the loop. Okay, here's something. Very, very, very light. Let's do a comparison here and use the Sony and see how the Sony maps to that 560. Oops. Well, not a lot going on there, so maybe with a loop it would work better, but enough of that. Let's bring it back. Anyway, that's the first look at the K-605. Hopefully we'll do the next video. We'll take a look at the shortwave performance on this, and hopefully maybe have a radio that has an entry-level shortwave for someone who's getting into the hobby. All right, enjoy. Thank you.